YouTube Shorts monetization. On this video, we're going to take a look at how to make money with YouTube Shorts ad revenue and why all these channels are constantly posting these YouTube Shorts and absolutely crushing it with ad revenue. We're going to go deep into my channel. We're going to look at the last 2 YouTube Shorts that I've posted on my channel and how much money I made with ad revenue. We're going to break it down to find out exactly what my RPM was on these 2 videos. Then we're going to take a look at some of these channels and you're going to learn why they are posting so many of these YouTube Shorts, and more importantly, what they did to ensure that their channels got monetized so that they can make money with YouTube Shorts. Then I want to show you a channel that is getting over 1.44 billion views every single month, who started their channel not long ago, got it monetized, and they're absolutely crushing. And we're going to walk you through everything step by step, and we're starting right now. So the biggest question I get when it comes to YouTube Shorts monetization is, can you make ad revenue with YouTube Shorts? And the answer is absolutely yes. If I scroll down, I'm in the analytics, I'm in the back office of my YouTube channel, which is called Smart Video Tactics. And if you're not subscribed, go down the bottom, guys, subscribe, because I'm here to help you make money on YouTube, get your channel monetized, get your watch hours, and get your subscribers, and also teach you how you can do this without showing your face, without potentially using your own voice, and get your channels monetized. So when we come over to the back office of my Smart Video Tactics YouTube channel, you can see here that I have made this YouTube Shorts not that long ago and this one over here. And you can see here, guys, that this video is being monetized. This is monetized with YouTube ad revenue. If we come over to this video, you can see here that this channel is being monetized. The biggest difference between the YouTube Shorts video and my other videos is that the CPM and the RPM is a lot lower. You are going to earn a lot less than you are with your standard YouTube videos. However, I'm going to tell you why it's really important to have these videos in a second, which is going to help your channel get monetized. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some of the analytics of this video, and then I'm going to show you how to apply that to see what other channels are earning. So if we click onto the analytics of this YouTube Shorts video, they got 2,427 views. If we click onto this, what this is going to show you is exactly how many views I got, so 2426, how much watch time I got from this particular video, subscribers and how it's helped my channel grow, and how much money this video has made me. Now you can see that $7.15 for this channel is not a lot. However, if I was to post a lot more YouTube Shorts on this channel, it will continue to grow and get a lot more views. My channel has predominantly been a channel where I'm posting mainly longer format type content. So I would need to start posting a lot more shorts for me to get a lot more traction. You can't just post 1 or 2 and expect to get millions of views. Consistency is key. So let's break these views down and let's break down this CPM or this RPM. This is what I earn. $7.15 is what I earn. So if we grab my calculator, bring it over to here, and we do $7.15 and we divide this by 2,426 views, we go to equals. That means from here, what we need to do is times this by 1,000. Now what this is going to do is show you how much I made per 1,000 views. Now this is quite high. A lot of YouTube Shorts are not going to make anywhere near this. In fact, their CPM is probably going to be closer to $1 and even less, which means the creator is going to make a lot less money per 1,000 views. What we're going to run with today is we're going to say that the channels that I'm going to show you on this example are earning around 25 cents per 1,000 views, which means that the RPM is just under 50 cents. Now you saw that with my channel over here, my RPM was $2.90, which is absolutely extremely high, but the view sample size that is only quite small with 2,426. So let's just think that the creators in the examples I'm going to show you now are only earning around 25 cents per 1,000 views. Now, when you come over to YouTube Shorts, this is going to explain to you why all these people continue to put up these different YouTube short videos. and I'm going to tell you why they also create longer format videos and how they get their channels monetized. Let's start with this example here. It's a channel called Niche LMAO. Okay, so it's a channel. If you come over here, they create funny videos, comedy videos. Now you can see that 17 hours ago, just this video got 2.7 million views. This video got 1.8 million views and so on. When you scroll down, you're going to find that a lot of these channels also have longer content. One over here, another one over here, another one over here. You're also going to find a running theme with these different types of channels that a lot of their videos, this one over here is 12 minutes, but a lot of the other ones are only going to be just over 8 minutes long because they don't need to be any longer for them to add even more ads during the video. Here's one that's only 8 minutes and 1 second. Here is another one that's 11 minutes, 12 minutes, 9 minutes, or almost 10 minutes, 13 minutes, etc. You can see that they do a lot of YouTube shorts, but they also create these. Why do they create these? Because these videos can bring them a lot more ad revenue. And when you scroll down, these are the videos that are going to get this channel monetized. You see, you need 4,000 watch hours in order to get your channel monetized in the YouTube Partner Program. And getting views from YouTube Shorts does not count. Your subscribers count, but your watch time does not count. So in order for you to apply to get your channel monetized, you need to have these longer videos. This is exactly why these channels have these longer videos. So if we come over here and click on to sort by, go to date added oldest, you're going to find that immediately this channel had a lot of YouTube shorts, so they're getting their subscribers. And when you keep scrolling down, you can see they're posting a lot of YouTube shorts. Once they get their subscribers and they've got a lot of views coming in, then they start to post this longer content, which gets their channel monetized very, very quickly. As you can see, once their channel is monetized, then they start to absolutely crush it and make a lot of money. Let me break down one of these videos. Let's take a look at their video that was added, one of their newest videos. Let's take a look at this video, 2.7 million views. If I bring my calculator, this is going to explain why these channels are producing so much YouTube shorts. Number one, it's extremely quick to do and they still make a lot of money. So when we look at this, we can see here 2,700,000 views. So 2,700,000. What we do from here is we divide this by 1,000 views. And now what we do is we times 2,700 by say 0.25, which is 25 cents. So this video has made this creator as much as $675. That's just one video. And we know that these videos run for 60 seconds or less. That's not bad because these videos wouldn't take too long to create. I mean, sure, they may take 1 to 2 hours, but when you're making as much as $675, and this is for a video that's had 2,700,000 views. And when we go to most popular, you're going to find that there are videos here that have over 150 million views. It's no wonder when you take a look at this channel, why they're predicted to be making so much money. Now, if we take the 25-cent rule that I spoke to you about a little bit earlier, if I grab my calculator and we take a look at what they get every single month, which is 724 million views, so 724 million. Let's take a look and divide this by 1,000. And let's see whether or not these YouTube shorts are worth their while. And we times this by 0.25. Remember, this is probably going to be a lot bigger, or the RPM is going to be a lot higher because they're also creating longer format videos. But let's just run it on 25 cents. That's $181,000 that this channel is more than likely making every single month. Not bad just for creating all these YouTube shorts. So that's the first channel that I want to show you. Another channel is this one over here called Jack Payne. Here is someone else that's also making or creating funny content as well. And you're going to find a common theme, guys. Take a look at this. Again, a longer video, longer video. When you scroll down here, longer video, longer video. It's very important that you create these longer videos so you're getting your watch time. When we take a look at his Social Blade, he's also getting 58 million views every single month, which means that he's also making tens of thousands of dollars, guys. Again, not bad for a channel that's creating a lot of YouTube shorts. When we take a look at sort by most popular, you can also see 98 million views on one of his YouTube shorts. And when we take a look at when this channel started, you can see this channel's been going for 3 years, but didn't make a lot of content, quickly went to 2 years. But you can see when he first started, there was a lot of longer content, and then he's transitioned into the YouTube Shorts because they're quicker to make, and he's absolutely crushing it. If you're more into your fitness, you can see here is a channel, guys. This lady over here talks about fitness and yoga and Pilates and, you know, eating healthy, and she's creating a lot of these different types of YouTube Shorts. When you scroll down and take a look at this channel was monetized using longer format videos, guys. I went through and had a look. If I take a look at date added oldest, you're going to find a lot of these videos that were longer format content, guys. And this is how this lady got this channel monetized. Now, when we take a look at this channel and we go date added newest, we can see it's all YouTube Shorts, and she's getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. When we take a look at her social blade, 102 million views every single month. Not bad, because she's creating very, very quick content. The channel is monetized, and she is making money with YouTube Shorts. So if you're into your fitness, you can absolutely do it with fitness as well. Here is another channel over here, guys. If you want to start a vlog type channel, you can see here that this lady over here talks about different things that she does, what she eats, makeup, etc. If you scroll down, they also talk about where they go, what they do. Again, common theme, guys. A lot of them you will find people posting longer format videos, and they're absolutely crushing it. When we come up to Social Blade and take a look, this channel as well, 31 million views. And a lot of these channels, when you take a look, guys, have taken off over the last year when they started posting these YouTube Shorts, and they're making a lot of money with this. If we come over here, guys, and take a look at this other channel, this is called Icy Cool over here. This channel has over 2,600,000 subscribers. Again, when you scroll down and take a look at this channel, this guy talks about very interesting things. If you have a look, he finds all this interesting stuff on YouTube or on Google and then talks about it. If we take a look at his Social Blade stats, if we come over here and we scroll down, you can see, again, 102 million views, and he would also be making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. I hope you understand why all these people are creating these different types of YouTube Shorts, because just like I showed you on my channel, you can make money with YouTube ad revenue. The other thing is, these guys could also be part of the YouTube Shorts fund, where they're also making some really good money online. On top of that, a lot of these channels can make money from sponsorships. They can also make money for putting in affiliate links inside their channels, and they are creating these longer format type content as well. But I want you to take a look at this channel as well, okay? It's called Peter Bokuk. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. 4.72 million subscribers, guys. And you can see that I went over here to have a look at its most popular videos. Over a month ago, 73 million views. A lot of videos over 70 million views. This channel is absolutely crushing it on YouTube. When we go to sort by and date added oldest, it's only been around just over a year. And it's this little boy that they make videos on, okay? And this channel is getting an astronomical amount of views. But also, when we take a look at the date added oldest, okay, you can see that a lot of the videos were actually longer format videos, because remember, you need that watch time. And what you want to do is, when you come over to Social Blade and take a look at this channel, I mean, this channel gets 1.448 billion views every single month. Without bringing out my calculator, I did the sums earlier. This channel is making well over $250,000 every single month. And you can see that it only took off in March the 28th, 2022, when they started posting a lot of YouTube Shorts. Because when we take a look at this channel and we go to date added oldest, you can see it's only been around for over a year, and they are absolutely crushing it. So I encourage you to come over here and take a look at some of these different types of channels. Now, if you want to create this type of content with YouTube Shorts, but you don't want to show your face, you don't want to use your voice, or you don't want to create any of the videos, I'm going to show you where you can get a whole heap of examples of that at the end of this video. But more importantly, what I wanted to reiterate is that you need to make sure that when you're doing this, you're creating these YouTube Shorts, you must create the longer format videos where you're going to get that watch time. Again, you need 4,000 hours of watch time, and you need that 1,000 subscribers. Every single one of these channels that I just showed you guys started with zero, and consistency is key. You need to make sure that you're posting content all the time in order to grow your channel. Some of these channels have been running only for a few years and they're absolutely crushing it. There are some channels like this lady's fitness channel. When you go to date added oldest, it's been around for 12 years, guys. But at the end of the day, right now, she works for herself and she's making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. So consistency is absolutely key when it comes to YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go down the bottom and just comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and make sure that you smash that like button in appreciation and subscribe to the channel, because I have some more awesome content coming your way. Now, what I encourage you to do is watch this playlist over here, because I've got a lot of examples of how you can make money using YouTube Shorts, how you can get it monetized and do exactly what these people are doing to absolutely crush it on YouTube. I'll see you on the video. Until next time, you take care of yourselves and goodbye.